Human Rights Law Network holds two-day state-level consultation program raising awareness on sexual and reproductive health rights. Manipur Electricity Employees Union warns of cease-work strike right after Ningol Chakoba if their salary is not released before October 29. And Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah reveres late Rajashri Bhagyachandra for his contributions in popularizing Manipur's art and culture. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangtam, bringing you the top stories. Human Rights Law Network HRLN organized two-day state-level consultation program on sexual and reproductive health rights at a conference hall of Cooperative Management, Lamphilpat today. Speaking at the event, HRLN Manipur Director Maihobam Rakesh expressed disappointment that pregnant women are still deprived of various facilities meant for them at primary health sub-center, primary health center, community health center and district hospitals of the state. He also asserted that various schemes provided by the government like JSSK, JSY are yet to be fully implemented in the state. Maihobam Rakesh asserted that the program aimed to create awareness on how to get legal assistance to ensure the sexual and reproductive health rights. Asha workers, Anganwadi workers, law students and paramedical volunteers attended the event.
सरकार की तोंगान बा स्कीम सिंग रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ कमरी लेनबा से खुदमोन हाबदा JSSK ओरो JSY ओरो नतरगा प्रधानमंत्री मतुबा बंधन योजना ओरो हाइरिबा कनोसिंग असे मसी मागी ऑपरेशनल गाइडलाइन दा हाइरिबा सिंग अदु चपचाना अखोगी मणिपुर दी थबुक ओंथोकबा ngамदबा असुंगमो मयाम सिन मरम ओदना प्रजा सिंग मदुगी इंटेंडेड बेनिफिशियरी सिंग अदुददी मपुंग फाना खुदोंग चाबदु फंगदबा असुंगमो सिंग असे अखोई मतौ करमना कोनबा यागदगे अदुगा मसी कोनबु हनबदा अखोई लीगली इंटरवेन तौबा वायल संगी मतेंग लौदना अखोई करमना इंटरवेन तौ यागदगे हाइबा पांदमसिदा युमफम ओरगा नुमिनिनिगी थौरमजे सिंजबनी.
Manipur Electricity Employees Union has warned to carry out cease-work strike right after Ningol Chakoba Festival if their due salary is not released before October 29th. Speaking to media at the union office in Kaishampa today, Union Working President Laisumi Bomcha stated that there are around 3,444 employees under Manipur State Power Company Limited and Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited. He condemned that the government for failing to pay their salary regularly since 2014. Ibomta maintained that other government employees have started getting their salary before Ningol Chakoba as announced by the State Finance Department to release the same by October 22nd. He expressed disappointment that 2 months' salary of the employees under the unions are still pending. Ibomta urged the Chief Minister, Power Minister and Power Commissioner to look into their plights considering the fact Ningol Chakoba Festival, which is one of the biggest festival of the Meitei community, is just round the corner.
Yam tuna, a quickie government attention Pibiraga, Chief Minister, Honorable Power Minister, Commissioner, MD Anina, Tanaraga, Tanabiraga, a quick Tolosi, Pitoknava, quickie, Presi through the Apit Togeri, 29 Mountain PBU, Tani Tolos, Natragadi, a quickie, ex Suti Hamburger, Festivals in Loraga, Sijay Hojargani, Masida, quite Prajamia, Kasu, Waru Kande, a quick, Masida Sozo PBU, at the company Hingnaba, one of the Masagi, was you with Punamak Tadoga, Tabuk Tozu, Punamuxe, Wagi, Maymugi type of Punamuxi.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah lauded late Rajashri Bhagyachandra as a multifaceted and futuristic king who worked for the welfare of the people. Releasing the book titled Rajashri Bhagyachandra and Bhakti Movement in Eastern India Literature, written by Ahaibam Koiring at Raj Bhavan today, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah recalled the contributions of late Rajashri Bhagyachandra in popularizing the art and culture of the state to the world.
The rich cultural wealth of Manipur was born out of the imaginative mind and religious integrity and unity of the Maharaja Bhavchandra by blending the native pre-Hindu religious elements and cultural tradition with the great tradition of Hinduism leading to the birth of a state-patronized, peculiar and unique form of Hindu Vaishnavite cult of religion. It is the culture he had started that put Manipur on the global map. During his rule, a vibrant society prevailed, and there was a cultural renaissance never before seen in the state.
A two-day tourism orientation program to include weavers in the tourism circuit is underway at Imphal Peace Museum in Maibam Lotpaching, Nambol, Bishnupur. The program on the theme Tourism for Weavers is being organized by Manipur Tourism Forum and Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles, Government of Manipur. Many resource persons enlightened around 20 weavers from different parts of the state on how to integrate weaving with the tourism sector. Many resource persons giving lectures on tourism and handloom highlighted the ideas. Officers from Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles and Manipur Tourism Forum took part in the event.
Handloom and textile sigi sida sariba fisabi singsi tourism gi matang da moibu hena khangan naba atuga karamba production charaga hena chatkadagi kaina haibagi wakhalon ama tawjabani atopa amana gi yang thangum dagi horaga iromaijaw isok pukhambram adai sanjimbam sigumba jaga singsida koina tourism gi handloom and textile gi circuit ama develop tawbasida haidiba jaga singsida leidiba kogi fisabi sing asida tourism gi oiba wakhalon khara moida phone naba aduga hojik tourism da karamba production charaga di sing the hen kana gadagi haiba adum wakhalon mayam so koi masigi 2 days program sida koi khangan nabagi tanjama logjabani.
Lilong police team led by OC Inspector O. Ajit along with members of Anjuman and Alada arrested a drug kingpin in the wee hours today. The arrested drug kingpin is identified as 35-year-old FM Akhtar Hussain, son of Habibur Rahman from Lilong, Haurebi, Maya Ilaikai. The team, under the supervision of Taubal SP Dr. S. Bomcha, arrested and miscreant from his hideout at Kiamgai Mamang Laikai at around 1 a.m. today. Akhtar is said to be involved in the huge drug haul case of October 22nd. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (CADA) Kaching District Committee has seized 175 litres of country liquor from various parts of Kaching District. The committee also busted 100 litres of country liquor from a liquor manufacturing store at Wabagai Tera Ukrak. A team of the committee also seized country liquor during a drive conducted in and around Wabagai Lamkai Market. The seized liquors were destroyed on the spot. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the upcoming National Unity Day on October 31st. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. National Unity Day will be celebrated on 31st of this month to mark the birth anniversary of Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Preparations are in full swing to celebrate the day in a grand manner. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Kevadia in Gujarat to pay homage to the great leader at the Statue of Unity. To celebrate the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, celebrations will be held in more than 600 districts of the country. Home Minister Amit Shah will flag off the commemorative run for unity from New Delhi's Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium. In Maharashtra, the BJP Shiv Sena coalition is all set to retain power in Maharashtra, though with a reduced majority. BJP won 104, Shiv Sena has bagged 56 seats. Congress has won 43 seats, NCP bagged 54 seats. Independents have got 12 seats, while IMIM and Samajwadi Party have won 2 seats each. Bahujan Vikas Aghadi has also won 2 seats. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has won from Nagpur Southwest constituency, defeating Congress candidate Ashish Deshmukh. BJP candidate Vijay Kumar Gavid has been declared elected from Nandurbar seat. Parag Shah from Ghatkopar East, Dilip Kumar Patil from Nilanga seat, Kashiram Paura from Shirpur and Sanjay Sevakare from Bushawal, Mukta Tilak from Kasba Peth and Suez Bhole from Jalgaon city. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that people of Maharashtra and Haryana has reposed their trust in chief ministers and asserted that they will work even harder in the next 5 years to serve them. Addressing party workers at the BJP headquarters in New Delhi after victory in the assembly polls, Prime Minister Modi said when governments often lose power after 5 years, it is remarkable that BJP dispensations in both states have been given a fresh mandate for 5 years. He described the party's performance in Haryana as unprecedented and noted that its vote share had gone up to 36% in these assembly polls from 33% in 2014. Modi said in Maharashtra in the last 50 years, not a single chief minister has been able to serve for 5 consecutive years. He said BJP's Devendra Fadnavis successfully completed a 5-year term as chief minister. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in his Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 a.m. on Sunday, which is also the day of Diwali. It will be 58th episode of Mann Ki Baat. It will be broadcast on the entire network of AIR and Doordarshan and also on AIR News website www.newsonair.com and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of the PMO, Information and Broadcasting Ministry, AIR and DD News. AIR will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. The regional language versions will also be repeated at 8 p.m. And now the sports news. ATK will meet Hyderabad in a match of the ongoing 6th season Hero Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Kolkata's Salt Lake Stadium tonight at 7:30 p.m. In yesterday's league match played at Kochi's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Mumbai City FC beat Kerala Blaster 1-0. Amin Chermiti netted the lone winning goal at the 82nd minute of the match. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Human Rights Law Network holds 2-day state-level consultation program raising awareness on sexual and reproductive health rights. Manipur Electricity Employees Union warns of ceasework strike right after Ningol Chakoba if their salary is not released before October 29. And Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah Rivers laid Rajashri Bhagichandra for his contributions in popularizing Manipur's art and culture.